So last time we had seen there are a few types of losses that a business suffer from when a fire occurs in their premises. Can you tell me what are the various losses that a business usually suffer due to fire?
Stock, asset,
Loss of stock,
turnover,
loss of asset, yes, loss of turnover,
turnover,
loss of profit. These are
profit.
usually the losses. Correct, absolutely right. Today we are going to see how to calculate the claim that is to be lodged with the insurance company in case of loss by fire, in case of stock. So when the stock is burned by fire, when the stock is burned by fire, it is very difficult to ascertain the actual amount of loss, because majority of the companies do not keep a proper records of the goods that they have purchased, the goods that they have sold, and the actual amount of stock that was there in their godown when the fire occurred. So it is a quite complicated and tedious task. So today we are going to learn how to ascertain the claim in case of loss of stock due to fire. Yesterday we had created a Google Classroom account. I'm sure most of you have joined. I had also sent you a PDF file. In that PDF file, there was a problem of loss of stock due to fire and also the steps to be taken to solve the problem. Today we are going to see the problem. We are going to go extremely slow today. The problem usually takes 20 to 25 minutes, but since it is the first problem, we are going to go very slow. Whenever I am explaining, whenever I am trying to give you some inputs, if you have any doubts, you can stop me in between and ask your query. Do not wait till I finish the lecture. आता मी आपण जेव्हा हा प्रॉब्लेम बघणार आहोत, तो पूर्ण प्रॉब्लेम एक्सप्लेन करताना ऍट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम तुम्हाला जर वाटलं समजत नाहीये, अवघड आहे, एखादी कॉन्सेप्ट नाही समजली, मला लगेच थांबवा आणि तुमचा विचारा. देयर इज ऍब्सोल्युटली नो इश्यू. लेट मी शेअर द स्क्रीन नाउ.
सर स्ट्रीमिंग सुरू झाली का?
होती वेट.
ओके तेच मेसेज येतात सर.
Can you see the screen now?
No.
You can't see?
No.
Okay.
No. No.
Yes.
Now you can see the screen.
Yes.
So this is a problem on loss of stock. I again repeat, this is our first problem. You may have little inconvenience in understanding. So in case you feel you are not comfortable with a particular explanation or with a particular term, I repeat, stop me in between and ask your doubt. So this is the problem that I have sent you yesterday on your Google Classroom. I will read the problem again rapidly. A fire occurred in the business premises of Mumbai Traders Mumbai on 15th October 2014. First important date for us to understand the date of fire. The date of fire is 15th October 2014. From the following particulars, ascertain the loss of stock and prepare a claim for insurance. So what is expected from us? We have to prepare a claim that is to be lodged with the insurance company to get the amount. Now there is some information given. I will read the information, and you are only need to understand in how many years the information is divided into. We have been given opening stock as on 1st January 2013, 34,000. Purchases from 1st January 2013 to 31st December 2013, 1,22,000. Sales from 1st January 2013 to 31st December 2013, 1,80,000. Closing stock on 31st December 2013, 30,000. Purchases from 1st January 2014 to 14th October 2014, 1,47,000. Sales in the same period, 1,50,000. Stock salvaged, 18,000. Amount of policies, 63,000, and there was an average clause. When you look at the problem, can you just tell me how many years data is available with us?
2 years.
Yes,
2 years.
absolutely. The data available with us is of 2 years. Data is of complete year of 2013, and the data which is available, which is related to year 2014, is only from the date of commencement of the financial year till the date of the fire, right?
Yes.
Then they have mentioned that stock salvaged is 18,000. What is the meaning of stock salvaged?
Saved.
Yes, stock saved from the fire. When the fire took place in the premises, the employees tried to save some part of the stock from the fire, and they could save stock of rupees 18,000. Because of stock salvaged, our loss increases or decreases?
Decreases.
Yes,
Decreases.
please keep it in mind. When you save some stock from fire, our loss decreases, and the company has taken a policy of rupees 63,000. Is it under insurance? Is it over insurance? Or we are not able to make any comment right now?
Not able to make any
We are
comment.
not able to comment right now because we do not know the amount of stock. आपल्याला स्टॉकची अमाउंट माहित नाहीये, त्याच्यामुळे पॉलिसीची अमाउंट जी 63,000 आहे ती कमी आहे का जास्त आहे हे आपल्याला आता सांगता येणार नाही. And the most important is there was an average clause in the policy. What is the meaning of average clause? Average clause means if you have taken less insurance, you will get less premium. Sorry, you will get less amount of claim. जर तुम्ही कमी रकमेचा विमा घेतला तर तुम्हाला ती रक्कम proportionately कमी मिळते. I think last time I had explained this, right? Are you okay with the problem?
Yes.
Have you understood what information is given in the problem? I will just take a review. The fire has occurred on 15th October 2014. For the convenience of solving the problem, we will understand that this year is 2014. So 2 years information is given, last year information and current year information. Current year's information is given only up to the date of fire. Stock saved is 18,000, policy amount is 63,000, there is average clause. Now we have to find out what is the amount of loss and how much claim we have to lodge with the insurance company. There are certain steps that I have given you. First step is we have to prepare the trading account for the previous year. Now I will tell you why the previous year's trading account is required to be prepared. Because as on today, we have no idea about the amount of stock that was there in the godown on the date of fire. So we have to prepare the last year trading account. Then we have to calculate the gross profit percentage. So what is the gross profit that the company usually earns on sales? As you know, gross profit is related to sales. Then we have to prepare a memorandum trading account. Please remember, it is not a complicated concept. Memorandum trading account means the trading account which is prepared from the date of commencement of financial year till the date of fire. ज्या दिवशी फायनान्शियल इयरची सुरुवात झाली त्या दिवसापासून ज्या दिवशी कंपनीमध्ये आगीची घटना घडली त्या दिवसापर्यंतचं टेम्पररी ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट म्हणजे मेमोरंडम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. सो कॅन यू टेल मी मेमोरंडम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इज रिलेटेड टू लास्ट ईयर और करंट ईयर? Memorandum trading account is related to the previous year or is it related to the current year?
Current year.
Current
It is
year.
related to the current year because it is not prepared for the full year. It is prepared only up to the date of fire.
Date of
Then we have to find out the actual amount of loss. Then we have to apply average clause that I will explain how to apply. And finally, we have to see the amount of insurance claim. So these are the steps that we have to do. Since it is the first problem, you may find it is little difficult. Actually, it is not. Once we take 1 or 2 problems, you will be extremely comfortable with this particular concept and you will be able to get complete marks out of this. Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, yesterday I had told you to copy the problem in your notebook. Have you done that? Because when your mobile or your laptop is engaged in attending the class, you cannot go back and see the steps again. But I can try for the same actually. What is the first step? Sorry.
Trading
What is the
account.
first step?
Trading account.
Prepare trading account for the previous year, right? So now you have the problem with you. मी काल तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम लिहायला सांगितलं होता. तुम्ही बहुतेक लिहिला असावा असं मला समजलं. Shall we proceed?
Yes,
We have to
Yes.
prepare the trading account for the previous year. Previous years means the year 2013. Mahima Pardeshi, you have any difficulty?
सर प्लीज म्यूट एव्हरीवन तुमचा आवाज ब्रेक होतोय
माझा आवाज ब्रेक होतो आहे. पण how it will help if I mute all?
सर कारण की बॅकग्राऊंड नॉईज खूप होतोय तुमचा आवाजच नीट येत नाही
Background noise आहे. See, all the students, please mute your microphone, because if I mute all, I will not be able to understand whether you are able to understand or not. Let me check. See, I have muted all now. सगळ्यांचा मायक्रोफोन आता मी इथून बंद केलाय. जर तुम्हाला बोलायचं असेल तुमचा मायक्रोफोन ऑन करा, give the answer and then again immediately mute your microphone. Correct? Step number 1, we have to prepare the trading account for the previous year. In this problem, previous year means the year 2013. What is the first item in trading account? Yes.
Opening
Yes,
opening
stock.
stock.
Correct. Can you please tell me the amount of the opening stock of 2013?
34,000.
Yes, 34,000. ज्यांनी कालचा प्रॉब्लेम प्रत्यक्ष नोटबुक मध्ये लिहिलेला आहे, they only will be able to understand. Otherwise, it is not possible for you to handle both the problem and as well as the explanation that I am trying to give. So, first item on the trading account is opening stock of previous year, which is 34,000. Yes. After that, purchases. What is the purchase? What is the amount of purchases in the previous year?
1,22,000.
1,22,000 are the purchases in the previous year. Absolutely right. After that, what is the next item in the trading account out of the information that is given?
Gross profit.
Gross profit is given in the problem.
No, sir. Sales.
Yes, absolutely right. Sales are 1,80,000.
80,000.
Yes. What else is given?
Closing stock.
Closing
Yes,
stock.
closing stock is given. How much?
30,000.
30,000.
This is the information which is related to the trading account of the previous year. Are you comfortable with this? We have to prepare the previous year's trading account. In that trading account, we have to write opening stock, we have to write purchases, we have to write sales, and we have to write closing stock. Is it okay? After that, if you close this trading account, what balancing figure will you get? This question is based on your knowledge of 11th or 12th standard. If I close this trading account, what balancing figure you will get?
Gross profit.
Yes,
54,000.
absolutely right. If you close the trading account, you will see that the total of credit side is 2,10,000 and the balancing figure is the gross profit, which is rupees 54,000.
54,000.
Correct? So we have to prepare the trading account for the previous year, which contains the item like opening stock, purchases, sales, closing stock. If you close the trading account, you will get a balancing figure of rupees 54,000. Now the most important question, gross profit is related to which item in the trading account?
Sales.
Sales.
Yes, more the sales, more the gross profit. So there is a direct relationship between gross profit and sale. Next step is, can we find out what is the percentage of gross profit to the sales? When gross profit is 54,000, our sales were 1,80,000. Can we find out the percentage? To find out
Yes.
percentage, we have to use a particular formula.
3:1.
In simple words, please write it. Please
30%.
remember as GPS. I am sure तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना GPS माहिती आहे. But GPS in this context is totally different. This term I have used so that you can remember the term properly. The GPS actually stands for, GP means gross profit, S stands for sales into 100. So how to calculate the gross profit percentage? Gross profit upon sales into 100. How much is gross profit?
54,000.
Gross profit is 54,000. How much are sales?
1,80,000.
Into 100.
30%.
30%.
Yes, absolutely right. 30%. What is the meaning of 30%? The company earns a profit of 30% on sales, so that the company arrives at a gross profit of 30%. म्हणजे कंपनी जेवढे सेल्स करते त्याच्यावरती दरवर्षी 30% प्रॉफिट अर्न करते. This is our second step. Is there any problem up to this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So first step is we have to prepare the trading account for the last year. Second is we have to calculate the gross profit percentage. What is the equation to calculate the gross profit percentage? GPS. GPS means gross profit divided by sales into 100. Very simple. Okay. So the company earns a profit of 30% on sales. How many steps we have done with? 2 steps. Now, third step is now we are in the year when the fire has actually occurred. So we have to prepare a memorandum
Memorandum
trading account.
trading account.
What is the meaning of the term memorandum? It is a temporary trading account. The period of this memorandum trading account starts on the date when the financial year started. It ends on the date when the fire took place. So what is the date on which the financial year has commenced? 1st January 2014.
1st January.
And what is the date on which the fire took place? 15th of October.
15th of
So we are
October.
actually preparing a trading account from 1st January 2014 to 14th October 2014. Items in the trading account will remain same. Now you will have a question why we have prepared the trading account for the previous year. Whenever we will prepare the trading account for the current year, then you will immediately understand the purpose behind preparing the trading account for the previous year. Even though the name is memorandum trading account, contents are same. What is the first item in the trading account? Always
Opening stock.
opening stock. If you see the problem, opening stock for the year 2014 is given or not given?
Not given.
Yes, it is
Not
not
given.
given. But do we have it or we don't have it?
1000.
We
Have it.
have
We
it.
have it, yes. Where do we have it? Last year.
Previous year
closing
trading
stock.
account.
Previous year
Current year
closing stock.
opening stock. It is
Opening
not
stock.
given in the problem, but we can simply find it out when we prepare the previous year's trading account. So last year's closing stock is current year's opening stock, which is rupees 30,000. What is the
30,000.
second item?
Purchases.
Purchases. Is it given in the problem?
Yes.
It is given, absolutely. How much is it?
1,47,000.
1,47,000.
47,000.
So when we are trying to prepare the memorandum trading account, last year's closing stock is treated as the current year's opening stock 30,000. Purchases from 1st January 2014 to 14th October 2014 are 1,47,000. Is there any other information that is available?
Sales.
Sales. 1st January 2014 to 14th October 2014 are rupees 1,50,000. Right?
50,000.
50,000.
If you check the problem, you will see that all the information that was available with us is finished now. आपल्याकडे काय माहिती आता शिल्लक आहे?
Salvage amount.
Salvage.
No, salvage, we will come to salvage later. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now in memorandum trading account, we have opening stock, we have sales, and we have purchases. Now just think carefully and answer how many items are missing to complete the memorandum trading account.
Closing stock.
Closing
Closing
stock
stock
is
and
missing.
gross profit.
Closing
Gross profit is missing. ज्यावेळी एक फिगर मिसिंग असते तेव्हा आपलं काम खूप सोपं होतं. That missing figure is the balancing figure. Here the problem is two figures are missing, right? Closing
Yes.
stock is missing and gross profit is missing. Now think and answer. Which is easy for us to find out? Gross profit or closing stock?
Gross
Gross
profit.
Stock
Profit.
एक मिनिट मी तुम्हाला सांगतो. परत तुमचे माईक बंद ठेवा प्लीज. मी तुमच्या कन्व्हिनियन्स साठी माईक चालू ठेवले आहेत. इफ यू आर नॉट प्लॅनिंग टू आन्सर एनिथिंग, प्लीज कीप युअर मायक्रोफोन म्युटेड ऑल द टाइम. So we have opening stock, we have purchases, we have sales. Two figures are missing. Closing stock is missing and gross profit percent and the gross profit is missing. आपल्याकडे closing stock ची figure नाही, but gross profit we can calculate. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. How? I have gross profit
30%
percentage.
on 1,50,000.
30%.
Yes, I have gross profit percentage and I have sales. So based on these two figures, what I can calculate?
30%
I can
Gross
calculate
profit.
gross
sales.
profit because my gross profit is always 30% on sales. I have the percentage of gross profit and I have the amount of sales. So I can easily calculate the gross profit is 30% on 1,50,000. which is rupees
1,50,000.
45,000.
45,000.
Now the information which is available with me is opening stock, purchases, sales and gross profit. Now only one figure is missing.
Closing stock.
Closing stock.
Yes. Now the closing stock is missing. If I close my trading account, I will get a balancing figure which is closing stock. Now we actually cannot call it as closing stock. Why I cannot call it as closing stock?
Because it is a balancing figure.
Yes, because it is a balancing figure and closing stock is usually referred to the stock which is on the last day of the financial year. This trading account is not prepared for the complete financial year. It is the trading account up to the date of fire. So closing stock actually means it is the stock which was there in the godown on the date of fire. How much is it? 72,000.
72,000.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
How many steps we have taken so far? 3
Three.
steps.
3.
We have calculated last year's trading account. We have calculated the gross profit percentage. We have prepared the memorandum trading account. At the time of preparing the memorandum trading account, two figures were missing, gross profit and the stock on the date of fire. We ascertained the gross profit on the basis of the gross profit percentage, which is compared to the sales. So we arrived at the gross profit and the balancing figure was stock on the date of fire. It was as simple as that. Before we proceed, can you tell me why did we prepare the previous year's trading account?
So that we can calculate GP.
So that we can find out the gross profit percentage. If we do not prepare the previous year's trading account, we will not be able to find out the gross profit percentage. If we are not able to find out the gross profit percentage, we will not be able to find out the gross profit during the memorandum trading account period. So it is necessary to prepare the trading account for the previous year. So what is the important information that that we have ascertained just now? When the fire took place, amount of the stock that was there in the godown was rupees. Yes. How much?
72,000.
Yes.
72,000.
When the fire took place, stock of rupees 72,000 was there in the godown and the fire took place. So can you say our loss by fire is 72,000?
No.
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 No, correct. You cannot say that. Why you cannot say that?
Salvage stock.
Salvage
Yes,
stock.
very good. Because stock of rupees 72,000 was there in the godown, out of which stock of rupees 18,000 was saved by the employees. So how much was the actual loss?
54,000.
54,000.
Yes, very good. Actual amount of stock that was destroyed by the fire was rupees 54,000. Now, just pay maximum attention. What was the amount of stock in the godown when the fire took place? 72,000. What is the amount of policy that we have taken?
63,000.
63,000.
63,000.
So what is the amount of policy that we should have taken to cover the entire loss?
70.
Yes, आपला संपूर्ण लॉस कव्हर होण्यासाठी आपण 72,000 रुपीची पॉलिसी घ्यायला पाहिजे होती, whereas we actually took a policy of rupees 63,000 only. So insurance cover was sufficient. Was it more than sufficient or was it less than sufficient?
Less.
Less than sufficient.
Yes, absolutely correct. Insurance cover was less than it should have actually been. So it is a case of dash. Can you fill in the blank? Insurance required was 72,000,
Average per-
whereas insurance taken was
Under-
60. Yes,
Average.
very good. It is a case of under
Under.
insurance. You
Under
took
insurance.
less insurance than required. Why do we do that? Why do we take less insurance than required? So that we can save
Less
some amount on
premium.
the premium. So what insurance company will say? आप लोगों ने हमारा loss किया है. Because you should have taken a policy of rupees 72,000, you should have paid more premium. आपने policy कम amount की ली, so you paid less premium. So who suffered?
Insurance company.
Insurance company suffered. So now insurance company will punish you. How insurance company will punish you? Insurance company will say आपने जितने की पॉलिसी ली थी उतने proportionate हम लोग आपका claim settle करेंगे. Correct? Policy required was 72,000. Policy taken was only 63,000. So that is called average clause. आपने जितने की policy ली है, you will get the proportionate claim. So how to calculate the average clause? There is a very simple sort of the equation. Amount of the policy divided by stock on the date of fire into actual loss. Is it clear? So what
Yes.
was the amount of policy?
63,000.
63,000. What was the stock on the date of fire?
72,000.
72,000.
Absolutely. And what is the actual amount of loss?
54,000.
Correct. So we have to put the figures into this particular equation. Policy amount was 63,000. Stock on the date of fire was 72,000. Actual loss was 54,000. So what is the claim?
47,250.
So the answer is amount of claim is rupees 47,250. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer. You will get same type of the problem in the examination for 15 marks. You must have seen the benefit of online. In class,
Yes, sir.
it might have taken more than 45 minutes to solve, but here we have finished it in 20 minutes. I will take a quick review. How we have solved the problem. Step number 1, we have prepared the trading account for the previous year. The balancing figure was gross profit. We have compared the gross profit with our sales and we calculated gross profit percentage. What is the equation to calculate gross profit percentage? GPS, that is gross profit upon sales into 100. In this problem, it was 30%. In simple words, the company earns 30% profit on its sales. So first step was preparation of the trading account for the previous year. Second step was to calculate the gross profit percentage. Then we went ahead, we prepared the memorandum trading account. Memorandum trading account is nothing but the trading account which is prepared for a particular period. That particular period is 1st January 2014 to the date of fire, that is 14th October 2014. Information which was available with us was like this. Last year's closing stock was current year's opening stock. Purchases were given in the problem. Sales were also given in the problem. We recorded opening stock, purchases and sales. There were two missing figures. One was gross profit and one was stock on the date of fire. It was impossible for us to find out the stock on the date of fire, but it was very easy for us to calculate the gross profit. Earlier in stage number 2, we had seen company earns 30% profit on sales. Amount of sales we had, which was 1,50,000. 30% of 1,50,000 goes to 45,000. Then we closed the memorandum trading account. The balancing figure was stock on the date of fire. Stock of rupees 72,000 was there on the date of fire. When the fire took place, the employees saved some stock, which is called stock salvaged. Stock on the date of fire was 72,000. Stock saved was 18,000. Actual loss was 54,000. Stock of rupees 72,000 was there on the date of fire. The company has taken a policy of rupees 63,000 only. It is clearly a case of underinsurance. So the insurance company decided to settle the claim in a proportionate manner. That is called average clause. The equation is policy amount divided by stock on the date of fire into loss of stock. Policy was 63,000. Stock on the date of fire was 72,000 into actual loss was 54,000. Amount of claim is 47,250. It is as simple as that. If you have any problem, please ask. You can ask any type of problem. Marathit vichara, English मध्ये विचारा, हिंदी मध्ये विचारा. जे काय, whatever small doubts, queries, concerns you have, please ask. I completely understand if you are watching this problem on your mobile, it is little difficult for you to see the figures. But since
सर
बोला
सर स्टॉक सॅल्वेज म्हणजे काय?
हा, ज्यावेळी आपल्या फॅक्टरीमध्ये आग लागते आणि आपल्याला कळतं की आता आग लागलेली आहे, आपण हातावर हात ठेवून शांत बसत नाही. आपण काय प्रयत्न करतो, त्याच्यामधून आपल्याला काही स्टॉक वाचवता येतो का? आपण जो स्टॉक वाचवतो त्याला म्हणतात स्टॉक सॅल्वेज्ड. त्याच्यामुळे आपला लॉस कमी होतो, म्हणून इथून मायनस केलेला आहे. कॅन यू ब्रीफली टेल मी द व्हेरियस स्टेप्स? परत एकदा सांगू शकता?
Yes, sir.
बोला.
Previous year trading
Trading
account.
Previous
of
year's trading
previous
account.
year.
Absolutely.
Yes. Then GPS.
Correct.
Then memorandum trading account.
Absolutely. त्याच्यामध्ये दोन फिगर
हा.
जे आहेत ते मिसिंग असतात.
मिसिंग असतात. त्यातनं आपल्याला ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट काढता येतो बिकॉज ऑफ GPS.
Yes.
Then we have to ascertain the cost of stock destroyed. From that, if there is any salvaged amount, we have to minus, and then we get that. And from that, we have to calculate that
Yes.
account of amount.
मग
of
आपण एव्हरेज क्लॉज त्या ठिकाणी अप्लाय करतो. पॉलिसी अमाउंट अपॉन स्टॉक ऑन द रेट ऑफ फायर इंटू लॉस अँड द आन्सर इज द अमाउंट ऑफ क्लेम. इफ यू हॅव रिअली अंडरस्टूड, जर पॉलिसी अमाउंट 80,000 रुपीजची असती तर याच्यातली कोणती स्टेप वाढली असती किंवा कमी झाली असती?
ते ॲव्हरेज क्लॉजची
वाढली असती.
कमी
कमी झाली असती.
कमी झाली असती. कारण का?
Over insurance.
कारण ओव्हर इन्शुरन्स आहे. इन दॅट केस व्हॉट वी वुड हॅव डन, अमाउंट ऑफ क्लेम शुड हॅव बीन
डायरेक्टली
जर ओव्हर इन्शुरन्स असता तर क्लेमची अमाउंट किती असली असती?
72.
72,000.
नो,
No, 54.
54,000.
54,000. The company would have got full amount of the loss, but since it was the case of under insurance, we have to apply the average clause. Now, two things I want to tell you. Those who are watching the problem on the mobile phone, I completely understand. They must have found it little difficult. कारण ते figures खूप छोटे आहेत. Just उद्यापासून जेव्हा आपण हा प्रॉब्लेम बघणार, उद्यापासून एक अकाउंट एका स्लाइडवर येईल. मी आता ऑन पर्पज सर्व कॅल्क्युलेशन एका स्लाइडवर टाकले सो दॅट यू कॅन सी द स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लेम प्रॉपरली. फ्रॉम टुमॉरो देयर विल बी 5 to 6 स्लाइड्स. करेक्ट?
Okay, sir.